Dear students, hope you are great. Today we are going to continue Chapter 9, Lesson 1. Changing the state of matter. Changing the state of matter. So, changing the state of matter is a physical change. Matter exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Adding or taking away heat energy causes matter to change from one state to another. Water can be solid, ice, liquid, water, or gas, vapor. So adding heat or taking away heat causes matter to change from one state to another. For example, here, solid ice, if I add heat, it turns into liquid state or liquid water state. Add thermal energy to liquid water state, it turns into gas. So taking away of heat energy or thermal energy from the gas or water vapor state, it turned into liquid state. So taking away of heat energy or thermal energy of liquid water turned into solid water. So when a solid ice turned into liquid water, is this process called melting. When a liquid water turned into gas, this process called boiling. When gas turned into liquid, this process called condensation. When a liquid turned into solid, this process called freezing. Here, another example here. Look at this picture. Solid water ice. When I add heat, it turns into liquid water by process called melting. If I add heat to a liquid water, it turns into vapor by process called evaporation. When the water vapor or gas taking away heat from a water vapor or a gas, it turns into liquid water by process called condensation. When a liquid taking away heat from a liquid water, it turns into solid water ice by process called freezing. That's it. So changing water from one state to another is a physical change because the particles that make up water do not change and are still water particles. So when a change from solid ice to liquid, is still water, so it's a physical change. When a liquid water change to water vapor, so water vapor is still water. So the particles that make up a water vapor is still water, so it's a physical change. Melting and freezing, boiling and condensation are physical properties of matter. The melting point and freezing point of water is 0 Celsius. Look here, this is ice, so freezing or melting point is the degree of freezing or melting point is 0 Celsius. So what's meant by melting point is the temperature at which a solid ice turns into liquid. When the ice starts to melt or to change into liquid, this temperature is 0 Celsius. And also the freezing point is the temperature at which liquid change into solid. When a liquid change into solid. So when a liquid, look here, when a liquid starts to freeze, or to turn into ice. This happens at temperature 0 Celsius. So melting and freezing point for a substance are the same temperature. So water start to freeze at 0 Celsius, and also the ice solid start to melt into liquid state at 0 Celsius. So the temperature of melting and freezing point are the same temperature, 0 Celsius. That's it. Thanks for watching.